Hey everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to uninstall your Vencord from your browser. You want to uninstall your Vencord from your browser, then here's how to do it. So to uninstall the Vencord is that there are a lot of options, but here are the steps. Number one is use the Vencord installer. According to the official Vencord FAQ or frequently asked question, the mod can be uninstalled using the same method it was installed. You want to launch the Vencord installer tool, and then when prompted, select the uninstall option. This is the simplest and most reliable method. Next is remove the Vencord browser extension. If you're using the Vencord extension, you can remove it manually. You want to open your browser's extension page, go to Chrome, Edge, Brave, or Opera, then go to extensions via the menu type, or type in this one, and then locate the Vencord web in the list of installed extension. Click remove and then confirm your choice when prompted. So after that, if you removal via installer fails, if the installer method doesn't work, you can try this. So reinstall Vencord using the official installer, then after successful reinstallation, run the installer again and use the uninstall option. And that is all on how to uninstall your Vencord from your browser.